No children, I have taught you, isn't it? So what happens in the poem, how the girl dreams and what are the pets she saw in her dream, we have discussed, we have learned about it. So let us today repeat once again. Let me repeat. You have to follow the lines, repeat along with me. So open your textbook, page number 7. So repeat the lines, children. So you need to by heart the poem. So at the time you cannot by heart all the paras. So first learn one para, then later second para. After you learn first and second, you can gradually you can learn full poem. Okay, children. So let me just read. You have to repeat the lines where I am reading, and it will be easy for you to by heart later. Okay. Let me start with the first para. I looked in the mirror and what did I see? I looked in the mirror and what did I see? My funny pet monkey looking back at me. And second para, children. I looked in the kitchen and what do you think? I saw my swan swimming in the kitchen sink. Third para, I looked in the ice box and what do you know? Sitting on the ice was my garden crow. I looked in the ice box and what do you know? Sitting on the ice was my garden crow. I hope you are repeating the lines, children. So let us repeat the fourth para here. I looked in the bathroom and sitting in the tub was my polar bear and her cub. So turn the page, fifth para. I looked in the closet and I had to laugh when I saw my long-necked spotted giraffe. I looked in the closet and I had to laugh when I saw my long-necked spotted giraffe. Sixth para, children. So just keep your fingers and repeat. Wherever I looked, I found something queer. Wherever I looked, I found something queer. A purple baboon or a blue reindeer. Wherever I looked, I found something queer. A purple baboon or a blue reindeer. And the next para. A cat in the cupboard, a mouse in the tea. Oh, what a strange dream of my pets did I see. A cat in the cupboard, a mouse in the tea. Oh, what a strange dream of my pets did I see. I woke up with a start and gave my head a shake, for my rabbit sat at the kitchen table, eating up my cake. I woke up with a start and gave my head a shake, for my rabbit sat at the kitchen table, eating up my cake. The last para, children. So keep your fingers and then repeat. My dog was hamming up the ham. My cat was pulling out the jam. My pig had my pancake. My mouse had got my cheese. Tell me why, oh why, did I choose pets like these? Once again, we'll repeat the last para, children. Keep your fingers. My dog was gobbling up the ham. My cat was pulling out the jam. My pig had my pancake. My mouse had got my cheese. Tell me why, oh why, did I choose pet like this? So like the girl is thinking like that in the poem. So already you know the poem. No, children? So what I told you, have to by heart first para. Later after learning first para, you can learn second and then later third and remaining full poem you need to by heart. So children, already you have taken the books now. So open your book, open English 1 classwork, 4 lines book you have now. So open that one, write the dates, heading, poem 1 you write, my pets, and the first main I am going to give today, that is hard words. So let us write the hard words first, and in the next class we can continue. I will give the notes for remaining mains and so. Okay, children. So let me start with the first main, that is hard words. So write neatly in your classwork. Write neatly. Touch the line and write. Write the heading. And now only one line and write hard words. And the first word is, let me write here. First word is kitchen. So what is the spelling for kitchen, children? Kitchen. K-I. Say and write. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. First word is kitchen. And the second word, baboon. B-A-B-O-O-N. Baboon. Baboon. Okay. And the third one, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. P-U-R-P-L-E. Neck. N-E-C-K-E-D. And first letter should be written in capital. Okay, children, touch the line. The first letter, write big letter, and the remaining letters will be small letter. Okay, so the first letter of the word should be capital. Okay, seventh one. After that, spotty. S-P-O-T-T-Y. Spotty. And the eighth word is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. And the ninth word, closet. C-L-O-S-E-T. Closet. And the last word, 10 words I'm going to give. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. So all these 10 words write in your classwork. So let me repeat the words, children. So let us, you can also say along with me. The first word is kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Baboon. B-A-B-O-O-N. Baboon. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Spooning. S-P-O-O-N-I-N-G. Spooning. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Neck. N-E-C-K-E-D. Neck. Spotty. S-P-O-T-T-Y. Spotty. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Closet. C-L-O-S-E-T. Closet. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Okay, children? So write all these words neatly in your classwork. In the next class, remaining mains, I'll give the notes for that. Okay? Thank you, children.